right, wake up. No sleeping allowed here today.
Exactly. If you're sleepy, congratulations. You're in the wrong place.
Because today we're talking about something super simple, but also super scary for many people.
Let me guess. Talk about yourself.
Bingo! 3 words, and suddenly everyone forgets English.
Yeah, the examiner says, "So, tell me about yourself." And your brain goes completely blank.
You're like, my name is, from,
And the examiner is smiling. But inside, he's thinking, please, say something interesting.
So today we're fixing that. No boring answers, no memorized speeches.
Just natural, confident, real English. The kind that sounds human, not like a robot.
Okay, first rule. Talking about yourself is not telling your whole life story.
Yes, this is not a documentary. Keep it simple, keep it smart.
You only need 4 things: name, where you're from, what you do, one small personal detail.
Just one, not 10 hobbies, not your childhood trauma.
Exactly. Let me show you a good example.
Hi, my name is Jessica. I'm from the US, and I work as a content creator. I really enjoy what I do because I love communicating with people.
See that? Simple, clean, confident.
And most importantly, I didn't panic.
Now listen to this one. My name is Liam. I am 28 years old. I am male. I am human.
Sir, are you introducing yourself or applying for a passport?
That answer is dead on arrival.
Okay, now your turn. Say this sentence out loud. Don't be shy.
3, 2, 1, both. I want to sound natural, not perfect.
Great job. You survived the hardest part. Starting.
In the next part, we'll show you how to add personality without talking too much.
And yes, we'll make it fun.
Stay with us. All right, we're back. And if you're still listening, congratulations. You're serious about improving.
Or you're just enjoying our voices. Either way, we'll take it.
Now, part 1 was about what to say. Part 2 is about how to say it without sounding boring.
Because let's be honest, most talk about yourself answers are painfully boring.
Here's the brutal truth. The examiner doesn't remember your grammar mistakes. They remember how you made them feel.
Interesting. Or sleepy.
Exactly. So today we add personality, not paragraphs.
Here's a magic trick. Take a normal sentence and add one feeling or opinion.
That's it. 1.
I work as a teacher.
Meh.
I work as a teacher, and I really enjoy helping students gain confidence.
Boom. Same information, 10 times more human.
Now listen carefully. Do not try to sound smart.
Yes. Big mistake. Simple English sounds more confident than fancy English.
I endeavor to ameliorate my communicative proficiencies.
Stop. Please stop.
The examiner is not impressed. They're confused.
You can pause. You can smile. You can even correct yourself.
That's normal English, not a memorized speech.
I work as a designer. Well, actually, more like a content creator.
That sounds real. Small detail doesn't mean your whole life story.
Yes, please don't say, when I was 5 years old.
Nobody asked.
A good detail is something simple. Why you like it or how you feel about it.
I study English and I enjoy it because it gives me more opportunities to connect with people.
Clean, clear, effective. If humor comes naturally, use it.
But don't force jokes. This is not stand up comedy.
I'm learning English, and honestly, it's challenging, but I enjoy the struggle.
That's charming, not cringe.
Now pause the podcast for 10 seconds.
Say one sentence about yourself. Add one feeling.
Go on, we're waiting. If you spoke, even imperfectly, you're doing it right.
Fluency comes from confidence, not perfection.
So, Jessica, tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. I'm Jessica. I work in media, and I really enjoy creative projects because they allow me to express ideas freely.
Natural, not rushed, not robotic.
You're officially past the scary part.
In part 3, we'll show you how to answer follow-up questions without freezing or repeating yourself.
And yes, we'll make mistakes on purpose.
Stay tuned.
Okay, welcome back. Now, this part is important. Like, really important.
Because this is where most people panic.
Follow-up questions.
You answer one question well, you feel proud. Then, boom, another question comes.
And your brain goes, sorry, English not found.
Exactly. This part teaches you how not to freeze.
You don't need a new idea. You just need to expand the same idea.
Yes, same topic, different angle. Tell me about your job.
I work as a graphic designer, and I enjoy it because it allows me to be creative.
Why did you choose this job?
Because I've always enjoyed visual work, and over time, I realized it matched my skills.
Same story, no panic.
Big mistake people make. They think every question needs a new life story.
No, we're not writing a novel.
We're just continuing a conversation.
Most follow-ups are only 4 types. Why, how, when, how do you feel?
That's it. Not scary anymore, right? What are you studying right now?
I'm studying English, and I'm focusing on improving my communication skills
Why is English important for you?
because it helps me access more opportunities and communicate with people from different backgrounds.
Natural. No memorization.
Another truth people forget, you're allowed to say something is difficult.
Struggle is human. Silence is worse.
Honestly, speaking English was difficult at first, but I've become more confident with practice.
That sounds mature and real. You can pause before answering.
A short pause shows thinking, not weakness.
That's an interesting question. I'd say it has changed my perspective.
Smooth.
Let's talk about what not to do.
Yes. No. Maybe.
That's a conversation killer.
If your answer is short, add one reason.
Yes, I enjoy my job because it gives me flexibility and creative freedom.
Perfect fix.
Let's try something together.
What do you usually do in your free time?
Answer out loud. 1 or 2 sentences.
Confidence is not fast English. It's clear English.
And clarity beats perfection every time. End answers softly. Don't rush the last word.
So overall, it's been a very positive experience for me.
That sounds complete.
You've made it through the hardest part.
In part 4, we'll wrap everything together, ask you some questions, and help you sound confident from start to finish.
Don't go anywhere.
Thanks for listening with us today. We hope this helped you feel more confident speaking English.
If you enjoyed this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe to MS English Academy.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye for now.